Hey everyone, now I'm gonna talk about our project 4, which is for usability and accessibilities. So this project is based on project 3, and we updated some functions, images from the review of the usability reports. So Hui and I are both interview 3 people, and from that user experience interview, we implement some features based on the feedbacks. And in this project, we will improve the overall website user experience on usability and accessibilities. So similarly to project 3, the technology we used is same, which is React, Express, MongoDB, Node, Google Map API. And this is the usability feedback with the priority. So we split the priority into high and low. So for high priority, here we have so the user will always forget to type their username, and in the deployment session we miss the image, and the authentication does not that common, so we'll use the sign in later. And so we need to add a StreetArt image on the background, and we also need to change the art gallery to StreetArt gallery to make it more specific, and also change the color of the name for the art, and red looks scary for some of it, and also fix the X issues. For the low priorities is that when entering the location, like there's no autocomplete function, and so our website didn't have the redirect to home page after logging out, and we shouldn't notice people, like we don't have like a saying to notice people. Our choosing image only support the JPEG and JPG. So this is our before and after differences. You can see this is for missing image function. So here is what we have before. You can see the image doesn't show up, but after we deal with the AWS S3, we came up with a good one with the technology listed here. And we also deal with the problems, which is forgot to enter the username. You can see previously it's like on the top bar, and after it, so because the user always forgot to tap it because the colorful image is on here for the choosing button, so we put the your name part on underneath it, so user can see it directly after choosing the image. And we also change the background color. So before it's like there's a gray background, and so for the first impression of a lot of users, they don't feel like it's a street art. So we just put a street art background. So I think it's for the user's first impression, they can feel it's related to street art or art. And I made the font consistent as well to like make it look so good. And also we change the text here. As you see, here is the street art around you, please enjoy every moment. So some of the user mentioned it's not like it's too light, it's not attract the attention, so I make it a glow and make the art gallery to be like the street art gallery, so it's like more specific. And this is the color palette we use because it's a street art website, and we put a dark street art picture in the background, and it's kind of colorful, so we are choosing the button, and the words color is kind of we need some like bright color, but it's not messy, so we just choose the color listed below. And the topographic I use is this one, so it's like clear, but also it's like not formal. It's kind of like artist. And what we proud of most is that we make the street art application much more pretty, and also we improve the usability and accessibility a lot. And user can use the tab and the keyboard to control the website, and the user can tell directly from the first page that it's about street art. And we also fix a lot of issues in X and the greenhouse. So what we struggle most is like choosing the color palette for the application, because the background color is also like dark but colorful. So I spend a lot of time choosing a matching color but an obvious color for selecting button. And we also spend a lot of time on fixing bugs in X. So now I'm gonna show you what our application looks like. So previously it's like this, but right now you can see we got all the user listed here, and it has like pretty street art image. Like it tells user directly, hey, this website is for street art, and we can just click one of this. And previously we have no image listed here, and now we have like uploaded image, and you can see we change the color of the name of the art, so it's like green, which matches with the button below. So like it looks much better than before, which is red. It's kind of scary, and it's also matched with the glowing LED here. And let's try to log in. So just to see. So let's see, for example, Cindy and Cindy Gmail. We'll sign up. Let's see how it works. Close it. Never. And we click on the Cindy. I don't want, and then we can just share places. For example, we can see day and beautiful day. I can see New York, and choose a random picture. So I would just choose the New York City first, and choose the add places. And now you can see we have our days in here, and if we view on the map, it will show up here. And we can also add it or delete it, so it's perfect.